Hi students, in addition to editing basic parameters and locations, sometimes we have to add or remove entire components. In this exercise we will delete a curve, remove a PVI, insert a PVI and add a new curve into a layout profiles. We will use component level editing for this exercise. Just open 707 profile editing clips in this video. I will provide you this drawing in the description link which you can download, and then once you will open you will see a row D profile view. If you have already opened tools bar from the previous exercise, then you can keep layout toolbars. Otherwise, just click row D FG profile like this, and from the contextual tab just select geometry editor to open profile layout toolbar. On the profile layout tools toolbar, click the delete entity. If you will hover your cursor, you can see clearly the tool name, which is delete entity. Pick the curve near the station 0 plus 957.07, which should be something here. Yes, we have here. And just right click or press enter to end the command. The profile is now adjusted accordingly. Since the delete curve was defined as a free curve or on deletion, the tangent will still be connected to each other by means of PVI. So on the profile layout toolbar, click the delete PVI button this time, which is here. Okay. Pick a point near the PVI that resulted from the deletion of previous curve. Just right here, and you will see a little change in tangents here. Just right click or press enter to end the command. Again, like this, the PVI is deleted and the layout is updated. On the profile layout tools toolbar, click the insert PVI button. This, and at the prompt, using the transparent command for profile station and elevation, you can write like this PSE and just press enter. Otherwise, you can also use transparent command tools bar to select any of the transparent command here. Just defined, select the profile view, select your profile view of the row D, then it will ask for the station, which is you can just write without plus or 0, 731.52, enter, and then specify elevation 1.60. Just press enter, then press escape twice, once to exit the transparent command and again to exit the insert PVI command. On the profile layout tools toolbar, expand the vertical curve creation tool just here, and from the more free vertical curves, just select free asymmetrical parabolic PVI best. Click to select the command, and from the command bar you can see pick point near the PVI or curve to add. So at this prompt in the screen, in the vicinity of previously created curve PVI station around 731, just here, just select any point near the PVI and now specify the length 45.72, enter. Then specify length 2, 30.48, and just press enter. Right click or press enter 2 key again to end the command. Now close the toolbar. Your layout should update it to reflect the new changes, and it should be look like this. So this is how we can insert PVI, we can delete PVI, and we can add more components to our design profiles. Editing profiles using any of these methods gives you precise control over the creation and layout of your vertical design. In addition to these fine-tuning tools, there are other tools worth investigating, so we will look them in the next exercise. Please stay with us for more tips and tricks of Civil 3D.